took away the best free AI video tool. No warning, no replacement, just gone. But I found something better, a complete workaround. It's free, unlimited, and it makes text, images, and video. Horizontal and vertical, no watermark. Follow every step in order. Skip one, and it won't work. Quick thing before we start. AI tools change constantly, and better ones show up overnight. I test them so you don't waste time. Subscribe so you catch the next one. Now let's fix this. Meta AI used to generate video. Now it only makes images. That single change broke a lot of creator workflows overnight. Most people online are stuck making vertical clips, nothing usable for YouTube. So I tested dozens of combinations to find a real fix. Here's what actually works. Don't just describe your video. Most prompts fail because they're vague. Ask Meta AI's text model to write the prompt for you. Tell it the style, the mood, the camera movement, then refine it. Ask it to make the prompt shorter or more specific. This one step changes everything about your final result. But there's another problem. Meta AI can't turn this into video anymore. This is where it gets interesting. Open Vibes.ai and start a new project. Paste the prompt Meta AI just wrote for you. Choose the recommended resolution, don't touch the advanced settings yet, and hit generate. Look at that. Smooth motion, sharp detail, completely free. Most people stop here. That's a mistake. Vibes.ai only outputs vertical video, and for YouTube, that's a deal breaker. I spent hours trying to force horizontal output and it didn't work, so I found a workaround instead. Go back to Meta AI. This time, generate an image, not a video, and add 16:9 inches directly into your prompt. This forces Meta AI to output a widescreen image instead of square or vertical. If something looks off, edit it right inside Meta AI, then download the image. Here's why this actually works. Vibes.ai can't generate horizontal images on its own, but Meta AI can, and Meta's images come with no watermark. So we use Meta's image as the starting frame for the video. This one trick solves the entire aspect ratio problem. Most tutorials never mention this. I found it by testing failures, not by following a guide. Upload your horizontal image as the start frame in Vibes.ai. Add a motion prompt describing how things should move, then generate the video. Look at that. Fully horizontal, fully free, no watermark. And this isn't even the best part. Most clips only run a few seconds, and that's usually where people stop. There's a hidden option most users skip entirely: auto extend. It stretches your clip naturally without restarting the scene. You can push a single video to 15, even 30 seconds, with the same motion and same style, just longer. But even this isn't the final obstacle. Some downloads still carry a small overlay or watermark tag, and this trips people up constantly. I already made a complete video walking through the legal method to remove this, so check that one if you hit this exact issue. I won't repeat the whole process here. Here's something most people never find. Vibes.ai has a feature called ingredients. Upload a reference face, object, or scene, and now your protagonist stays consistent across every single generation. Style consistency works the same way. Upload one reference and lock the look. This alone solves one of the biggest problems in AI video: characters that change every clip. There's also a full editor built right into the platform. Open the timeline, arrange your clips in order, add subtitles automatically, drop in music or voiceover underneath, and export your finished video without ever leaving the site. That's a complete production pipeline for free. One quick reality check. So here's the full workflow. Prompt with Meta AI's text model. Generate a horizontal image with Meta AI. Turn that image into video with Vibes.ai. Extend it. Keep characters consistent, edit it, export it. One workflow, zero cost. I'll drop the prompt templates and a written workflow guide in the description. And if you hit the watermark issue, that other video walks through the fix. Thanks for sticking through this one. I know it had a few extra steps, but now you've got a workflow that actually holds up. See you in the next video.